So here we are after Abertown's excellent 1-0 win against Cefn Druids, Nev.
Delighted, our first home win, league win. We've been waiting for that for a while, but I thought the lads were full value tonight. It was a real good end-to-end game in the conditions, and as you say, that especially first half, it was played at 100 mile an hour, and we thought second half one of the two teams was going to tire a bit, and we're lucky enough we got the goal, and we could have got one or two others after, but we've got to be delighted with the 3 points, Thomas. Big 3 points for us. It's lifted us out of the relegation zone, and as you say, it's all credit down to the players, because every player came off there tonight with credit. Cefn Druids were on a great run of form. Hugh's got them playing really well, so we knew we were going to be in for a tough game, but we set up the system we were going to play, and we had John Owen down the middle, and I thought he was probably the difference between the sides. I thought at times he was unplayable, and he fully deserved to get the match-winning goal. So it's a great win for us. The players have taken a lot of compliments for it, and as you say, we'll move on to Bangor now, a tough game on Tuesday, so it's important the lads rest up and prepare for that.
Yeah, and for people who didn't see the game, you get different kinds of 1-0s, don't you? You get lucky 1-0s, but you never call that one a lucky win. I think the boys really earned it through hard work.
Well, that's what they've been doing for the last 5-6 weeks. Tough, hard-working team, and if teams are going to break us down, they're going to have to work for it. And as you say, they've acquitted themselves really well. They're enjoying the football, the spirit's there. And obviously, we say again, that bit of quality that we've got can win your games, and it's shown tonight that was probably the difference. The quality in the final third won us the game. And but as you say, you take nothing away from every player out there. They all worked their socks off, and they got that important win for us, which we desperately needed. And as you say, we can look forward to Bangor on Tuesday now and go there and have a good go at them.
Yeah, and obviously John Owen's going to get the plaudits, scoring the winning goal. But do you want to talk about the defence? Because that's an important clean sheet as well, isn't it?
Well, it is. It's clean sheets. Chris Muller kept us in it first half with a couple of saves, which he's there to do. And I thought the 3 centre halves were outstanding. And Declan and Matty Jones up and down the wing did all night. They put some good quality balls in the box. So yeah, they done really well. And when you're 1-0 up, you're gonna have to withstand a late rush of balls in the box from them, and they done it admirably. And they were superb. And it was a pleasure watching them, really.
Yeah, and I suppose when you look at where we are now in the season, I suppose it's hard to know, really, isn't it? Because we certainly didn't look like a bottom 4 team there today. Does that make you think, perhaps you can challenge the boys to...
Well, it's a tough league. You take TNS out of it, and the rest of the teams can beat each other on a given day. There's no easy games. It's an important stage of the season now. I always think November, December, any team there that can get a run of 4 or 5 games together wins, won't be far off the top 6, and that's our plan. Every game we go into, it's 1 game at a time. It's a cup final. We make sure the lads are prepared properly for it, and they go out there and execute what we tell them to do. And they've been doing that in the last, since the Bangor game. We had a right turnaround, and as you say, it's the players are playing with smiles on their faces. They're working hard for each other, and they're getting their just rewards. But we've still got a vast amount of work to do. It's not going to be easy. We've got every game's going to be tough. And as you say, it's only our 3rd win, so we're not going to get carried away with it. We're just going to carry on what we're doing. We've only got a small squad. We've got to make sure we don't get any injuries or suspensions. And as you say, we'll go into game by game, and if the players apply themselves as they have done the last 6 or 7 games, we won't be far away.
Well, there's plenty of smiles on the faces tonight. Thanks very much, Nev. Go and enjoy your evening.
Cheers, Tom.